So guys, welcome back to this channel. Alright, so we actually have a new mining platform that can serve you for the week. So if you're actually watching this video, kindly take actions immediately. Now if you're a new subscriber, kindly join this family by subscribing to the channel and like this video. Also turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever valuable content like this is being posted. Now just stay tuned to the end of this video so you can get the full package of this particular new mining platform. When you go ahead clicking the first link on the pinned comment section, you're going to be brought into this interface. You can go ahead registering your account with your email address or a mobile number, but I advise you go with your email address. Put in your registered email address right here, put in a password, then confirm your password. Now enter a payment password. Okay, I think this should be about 6 digits. Then come down right here and click on register. Then your account will be created right on this platform. So right now I'm going to log into my account and explain what you need to know about this particular quantitative platform. Looking at my account, you can actually see that I have over 11 USDT as my quantitative. So what I'm going to do right now is to come down to where it says click to start quantification revenue. So I'm going to click on this right now. So each time you come to your account, what you're going to do is to come down to where it says click to start quantification. So once you click on click to start quantification, you're going to be getting the income for the day. Now what I'm going to do right now is to come down to where it says account, and I'm going to come over to my account right now and click on withdraw. Now you can actually see you can withdraw using your BEP20 or your TRX. So what you just have to do is to come down to select withdrawal method, which is to add your wallet address right here. So what we are going to do right now is to add our BEP20 wallet address. So you just have to pick one of these. So we have actually picked the BEP20 wallet address. Then the next thing we want to do right now is to enter the BEP20 wallet address right here. And so right now I'm just going to paste the BEP20 wallet address right here, and I'm going to come down right here and enter my transaction password. And click on submit. So you can see that I've actually added this right on my account. So after adding your wallet address of the BEP20, just come down right here and to input the amount you want to place for withdrawal, and you're still going to enter your payment password right here just to confirm your withdrawal. So what we are going to do right now is to confirm withdrawal, but before that you need to select withdrawal mode. So once you come right here, just come down to your wallet address and pick that, then click on confirm. So right now you can see application for withdrawal is successful, and we'll be receiving the 1.5 USD on our Bybit account right now. So guys, this is the withdrawal proof from this particular quantitative platform. The 1.5 USD just arrived on my Bybit account. Now follow the procedures of this particular quantitative platform. You can actually see that we have the upper level VIP 2, we have the VIP 3, we have the VIP 4, we have the VIP 5, and several VIPs right here. And you can actually see the amounts you can use to purchase this VIP. Okay, so whichever one you have actually chosen to purchase right on your account, before you start your quantification, just come over to your account. You will need to recharge your account, where you can actually see the wallet address you can use to fund your account. Right here you can actually see we have the TRC20 and the BEP20 network. Just copy this and fund your account accordingly. Once you've done that, this is going to be reflecting on your account. So once you have this on your account, the next thing you want to do right now is to come over to this particular section where you just have to select any of which you want to purchase for yourself. Then you just have to activate any of which you have chosen. Okay, so if you have chosen anyone, the next thing you want to do is to come up to where it says click to start quantification. So once you start quantification, you are going to be getting the income for that specified day. Now when you come in after 24 hours every day, you're going to be getting your income every single day. Now there's another way you can use to maximize your earnings. When you come right here, you just have to come over to invite friends and copy your affiliate link, then share your affiliate link, and you're going to be getting income whenever anyone uses your affiliate link to sign in on this quantification platform. So that is all you need to know about this quantification platform. You can actually see that we have the withdrawal button right here when you want to place withdrawal on your account. So you just have to fund your account, start leveraging this platform, and start enjoying the daily profit that comes with this particular platform. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video, and keep winning.